Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Trading Basics. Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to deposit on Etoro. So let's get started, guys. So firstly, just go to your Etoro and log in with your account. Then on your left hand side, over here you'll find deposit fund. Just go over there. Take some time, just have some patience, guys. Loading, and now you're over here. So there are options. You can use your credit card, bank transfer, Skrill, or PayPal. So you can deposit over here. You can get a card number, your month, your CV, everything, middle name, everything, and you can select the amount and just press on deposit. So that's gonna do the deposit part. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.